Hey everyone, welcome back to Inmyseams. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So if you didn't know, I am a fourth-year business student. I am graduating in May, and as I am thinking about my workplaces and my jobs and the future pretty much, I'm also thinking about interviews and what to wear, and I personally have been applying to jobs that are a little bit more on the creative side of the business world, not really a finance corporate office at all by any means, but I wanted to create a video that you guys maybe who are in the same situation or you're in the business field, maybe you can use some of these tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you on how to make your business style kind of be on a bougie, baddie side. I think that those two words really resonate with my style. So I am partnering with Zaful on this video to show you that really inexpensive pieces like the ones that I'm styling up today can look very elegant when paired with a blazer or all of these other kind of business items that you would think of. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I want to hit 25,000 subscribers, and when I do, I will be doing a giveaway as I always do. So if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you want to keep watching, then please keep watching. So my very first outfit is the one that I'm wearing today. This is exactly what inspired this lookbook. I have this Zaful Cami top right here. I was always really intimidated by the blazer look because I felt like it made me look boxy. But in order to combat that, I wore a cropped kind of top, but then wore high enough pants that didn't show my midriff at all. These pleather leggings did a great job. These are from Zara, and I feel like this is a really typical business outfit that anyone could really wear, and you can style it up with the bag that I have right next to me. You could style it up with your business leather bags. I know tons of different stores sell really structured boxy bags. So yeah, that's kind of my first outfit. So the second outfit, or I guess tip, is instead of doing the blazer, if you feel like it is too boxy for you, it's too professional for you, and it doesn't really fit your workplace, I'd highly recommend doing something with a printed outer piece. So I've got this gingham print trench coat, which is a lot of fun. This piece looks really good styled under a lot of different things. So it would look good styled under a basic black cami top and black leggings or trousers. It would look really good under a black fitted dress. Again, doing something that's printed like this piece here works really well in the workplace so that not everyone in the office or everyone in your workplace is like, whoa, she is wearing fashion today. So that's kind of my next tip. You could also do this with like a printed cardigan, but something a little bit long is a lot of fun when you're playing with print. So my next tip is when it comes to printed dresses. So not a lot of people think that dresses could be worn, especially printed ones, could be worn in the workplace. However, what I really like to do is wear a blouse or like a white button-up underneath it to really give it that schoolgirl kind of effect. I did this a lot when I wore uniform back when in elementary school. I used to wear dresses, but then wear my white polo like button-up tops underneath my dresses, my plaid dresses, and I don't know why I ever stopped doing that because it really gave a cute look, very business professional, very cute to style up a dress like that. And then you can also wear tights underneath it to make sure you look modest. So the next tip that I have for you guys is with sweaters. A lot of people think a very stereotypical business casual look or business professional look to wear a collared top and a sweater over it. However, with this sweater, it's obviously very fashionable, very distressed. I don't know how many business places would like this kind of a look. However, I think when you pair a dress underneath it that's a little bit more fitted or a pencil skirt underneath it, it's a really different way to style up a sweater. You can also do the typical white collared blouse, I think, but then playing it up with something high-waisted, I think could give it a very fashionable twist. And then when it comes to wrap dresses, especially printed wrap dresses, so wrap dresses are a really great piece to wear to the workplace. This one, however, is a very plungy neckline. So I'm going to show you how you can make that neckline much more conservative and much more like not as plungy when you're wearing it to work. But with a piece like this, it's really important to style it up with a solid piece on top so that it looks really good for the workplace. So I would wear solid on over it and then solid leggings or solid tights underneath it and maybe some flats so that the dress is the only thing that's kind of loud and overstated. So I love stuff like this because you can easily change this from day to night and take this to happy hour afterward, throw a leather jacket on, and it would look super cute. And lastly, I wanted to finish this video off with a very doily, lacy, fun, girly piece. A white top top like this one can be styled up so many different kinds of ways, but here I'm just showing you a really traditional way that I like to style it. So again, with that trouser look, and then the white top, and then you can do a blazer over it, you could do a cardigan over it, you could do a coat over it, and I just feel like something like this again could be taken day to night with a leather jacket or a denim jacket thrown on over it. This black cami also does come in a white cami top as well, so if you don't like that all black look and you want to go with the white cami top look, then there's that option too. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope there were a couple of things that you felt like resonated with your style, or you felt like you wanted to try out. If you did like it, then please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter to see more of my outfits and more of me on a regular basis, then please do so. The links are always in the description. All of the product links are already down below, so make sure you check out the links to my direct pieces that I'm featuring today. But with that, I will talk to you guys all in my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!